How to delete message in Meta Business Suite. So unfortunately, the only option you have when you're deleting something in your inbox inside your Meta Business Suite is to just delete the entire conversation. So of course, it's only going to delete from your side, but if you do really want to delete your message, then you're going to have to log in your Meta Business account to your Facebook. So over here, we've logged into our Facebook on our mobile, but you should be able to do this on your desktop as well, as long as you log into your Facebook. But go ahead to your messenger, then go to the message or the chat that you want to go ahead and delete, and long press. You should be able to see the more option. Press on delete and press on delete for you. But that's pretty much how you delete messages in your Meta Business Suite. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.